I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move.
Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to learn about this concept called plate tectonics and the effect that it has on Earth. Earth's crust is broken up into these giant sections called plates, and the plates move. And when they move, volcanoes can form, earthquakes can occur, new rock can get formed, and old rock can get destroyed. Okay, now I'd like you to open your notes to page 3. Plate tectonics. Again, this is simply the idea that the Earth's crust is broken into sections called plates, and they move. And when they move, a few things can happen here. Volcanoes and earthquakes can form. The shape of the continents can change. And this is also part of that concept of the rock cycle. New rock is made, and old rock is destroyed. And we're going to see that most of these earthquakes and volcanoes occur at plate boundaries. It's no coincidence, really. The movement of the plates in those areas is what's causing the volcanoes and the earthquakes to occur. The locations where plates interact are called plate boundaries. Now, the good news for you guys is that a lot of what you need to know about plate boundaries is found right in your reference tables on page 5. There you'll find convergent boundaries, divergent boundaries, and transform boundaries. So you should know what happens at each of these boundaries. At convergent boundaries, the plates come together.
Come together right now over me. Right.
Okay, now I'd like you to write this down on page 4 of your notes. Plate boundaries are simply the edges of plates. Again, there are 3 types of plate boundaries, and we just saw the convergent boundaries. So these are where the plates come together and they destroy old rock. And in this column, I would like you to draw 2 arrows pointing towards each other. Meanwhile, at divergent boundaries, the plates break up. Okay, back in your notes, write this down. Divergent boundaries are where the plates separate and they make new rock. And in this column, I'd like you to draw 2 arrows pointing away from each other. Finally, at transform boundaries, the plates slide past each other in opposite directions.
Slide to the right, slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Do that stuff. Do it. Oh, yeah.
Once again, back to your notes. Transform boundaries. Plates slide past each other. And I'd like you to draw 2 arrows pointing opposite directions. Well, once again, you can find all of these plate boundaries in your reference tables on page 5, as well as specific examples of them, such as the Peru-Chile Trench, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, and the San Andreas Fault. For the last part of this assignment, I'd like you to use page 5 in your reference tables to answer these questions. Please have this done when you show me your notes next class.
I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of